The biggest mistake is buying nursery features that make your routine harder. A cute design quickly loses its charm when refilling or cleaning becomes annoying. Choose between easy upkeep, compact mist, or monitoring. For decision fit option. Pick 1. Smart Humidifier. If nursery upkeep already feels relentless, this is the model I'd shortlist first. Its top fill tank makes refilling less awkward, while app reminders help keep cleaning and refilling from disappearing into your schedule. You can also use controls on the unit, so the app isn't your only route. Because it's evaporative, the cool mist isn't visible while operating. That cleaner-looking output may also leave you wondering whether anything is happening. Its filter-based format creates another replacement item to remember. So I'd skip it if visible mist provides important reassurance or you want no filter burden. For decision fit option. Pick 2. Adorable's Ultrasonic Humidifier. Want the humidifier to look like it belongs in a child's room? I'd pick this for playful decor, compact placement, and quiet ultrasonic operation. Multiple child-oriented designs make it less clinical than a plain nursery appliance. There's also an optional filter slot, giving you flexibility without making a filter mandatory. But that filter is separate, so choosing it adds another item to replace. Cleaning and disinfecting still require hands-on rinsing and careful use of the manual. I'd skip this one if you prefer understated decor, built-in filtration, or minimal sink side maintenance. For decision fit option. Pick 3. SleepyTime Humidifier. This is the bedside choice I'd consider when portability matters more than filtration. Its compact, lightweight format is easier to reposition, and the adjustable nozzle directs mist where you want it. The 7-color nightlight adds bedtime ambience, while dry tank automatic shutoff reduces one routine task. Because it's filterless, you won't have replacement filters joining the baby gear shopping list. However, water doesn't pass through filtration inside the unit. The VapoPad slot is optional and adds a consumable only if you use it. Skip this if you want filtered operation or dislike nightlights and scent pad features. For decision fit option. Pick 4. MistAire Humidifier. For a genuinely small nursery, I'd choose this over a bulkier model with unused capacity. You get 2 speed settings, letting the routine stay simple instead of burying you in controls. Its 360-degree nozzle also lets you aim the mist around your furniture layout. A nightlight mode and automatic shutoff round out the practical bedside features. But the compact tank is the defining compromise, because your refill routine may be more frequent. It's also ultrasonic, not evaporative, which matters if you prefer the latter format. Skip it for larger rooms or extended operation from a bigger tank. For decision fit option. Pick 5. Connected Smart Humidifier. If you want room feedback instead of guessing, this is the model I'd put on your shortlist. It displays room humidity and supports physical controls, so basic operation doesn't depend entirely on your phone. The app adds timers, remote adjustments, cleaning reminders, and humidity-triggered operation. That makes it useful for parents who enjoy scheduled routines and visible information. But app connection can be inconsistent, which weakens the main reason to choose this format. The tank also needs hand cleaning at the sink. Skip it if app setup sounds irritating or you want the simplest possible maintenance routine. Choose Sprout for top fill upkeep and reminders. Adorables fits playful rooms, SleepyTime favors portable bedside use, and MistAire suits compact spaces. Connected Smart is for parents who value scheduling and visible humidity. Before buying, decide how often you'll clean, refill, and replace filters. Then check whether visible mist, nightlights, app controls, or compact storage genuinely improve your routine. I'd default to Sprout for straightforward nursery upkeep. Switch to MistAire for a compact room, or Connected Smart when monitoring drives the decision. Links are in the description.